Hello, my name is Tahari Adil. Today we are going to review out Amazon Elastic Computing. Uh, it's contain different services, as you know about that. Today we are going for more research over how to park or how you deploy a website on Amazon server with Beanstalk or place with here. So today we're going to engage here. Okay, initiate it over that, and we're going back. We are creating a new application named PHP test, and we can say PHP testing for the next. It will ask you need web server or work environment. Right now we are going for web server because we have to deploy our Auto Scalable web server with files. Now it will show you the platform. We are going for the PHP. There are so many, you can try yourself over that. And for load balancing and auto scaling. It's bigger science in AWS load balancing and auto scaling. It will be hard for someone who is beginner with Amazon, so it's really hard to understand. However, if you get a time, you go for the learn more about that, and you can get an idea about this. We go for the next, and right now I'm going for sample application. Okay, this is the development process rolling same is rolling with additional patches emotional. First we're going for the rolling. I'll check okay percentage 30, okay, no issuing that. You can change and modify, it's up to you. We go over the next. Here it's up to you if you want to check that domain name where the specific stack will be up over for you. I just mentioned our PHP test that environment and check the availability. It's taken. Oh my god. Okay, we go for the one. Okay, fine for same PHP testing. Next. If you need a RDDB instance, you can go for the create environment, but right now we don't need this. We go to the next. Okay, we go for the T1 macro. Yeah, right now we go for the T1 macro. Keep your remain my ELPTS. Okay, email address if you want to place over here. All the changes is related to the ELB and instance. I'll check. Okay, train the traffic over the ELBC and Amazon instance. Everything seems to be fine here. We go for the next. Okay, name for name PHP testing server because it will create problem for you. Next. Okay. The profiling will remain for AWS Elastic, Beanstalk, EC2 roles, same service roles will be mentioned in the provision side. We go for the next. Last checkout seem to be fine. This is our environment. Going to up for the texting to us, micro instance. Okay, your launch. Okay, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to configure load balancer. You don't need to configure and you don't need to configure your instance. You don't need to install LAM or you don't need to deploy any LAM stack for you. It will create and it's pre-configured on Amazon side. And it's similar like Chef, and they have just worked over the back side, and they use Docker in that. It will help you to initiate a normal website structure with its scaling concept. So you can check the activities ongoing. So I think it should take more 2-3 minutes for the stability side, and moreover the uh, load balancer and security. If we look over the configure side, we will get all the information related to the EC2 computing. Yeah, here is a scanning concept 1 to 4 instance. You can modify it. It depends on the threshold. It's mentioned the matrix concept over here. Softwares, they mention all the stuff you can modify over this. This is for the PHP side. Lock publication, allow URL open, display errors, maximum execution time, memory limits, and zip all that stuff. And then update deployments, health and notifications, and manage updates are disabled. That's the load balancing side, and it seems to be so. We don't have any right now. RDS over here, so might be new tutorial. I'm going to add WordPress over this service. Let me check what the status of the it's still working overside. Let's take a few more time. Let's try with the URL. See the PHP test environment 1. Oh, it's that right now. So we need to take more time. Okay, okay. Now you can see that the add instance, this one, and now it's creating a cloud wash alarm over that ELB, and add out scaling policy to the load balancer. Waiting for instance to start to launch. This takes few minutes. Okay, let's see what is going on at the back side. If we look over EC2. At the back you can see it's an older one, and this one is PHP test environment. It's just configured and it's almost um, they have a big IP. Let's so look over the load balancer side. Auto scaling group might be this one. This is the load balancer. Okay. Now they have a load balancer over here, and configuration is ongoing. Okay, this one is just is in service. Seems to me our service is ready all the way. So we'll go back to Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, we have this one. PHP test environment. Okay, it's saying it's up and running perfectly. My environment is ready. Let me review out the application is still working or not. Oh, that's great. We are up now. We have a load balancer in there. We have auto scaling policy over here. And now, what exactly I'm going to do here? I'm going to upload or deploy a new code over here. So, first of all, let me compile out some PHP it's PHP info. Let's get a file here, PHP info. I think you can't able to see me because I just mounted out over Chrome browser. Give me a few seconds. Let me save the file over the desktop with the index.php. Index.php over desktop. File is here. Let me compress it. Okay, file is ready for deployment. Right now we are having this page configuration, so we are going for the upload, and we are going for version 1 have an index.php.j. Okay. Same policy we are rolling out, deploy it. One more point I want to just place over this. Right now we are running instance 1. If you're running more than 4 instances right now, we don't need to do anything oversight. System of upload and deploy will deploy your file or your changes to all instances by itself. So it's a perfect tool from AWS for you guys. You just have to upload your versioning, and if you want to use any application versions approach like Git, GitHub, Bitbucket, so you can configure through this. So I'm going for deploy right here. You can see the staging environment updating is starting. Now at the back, application will be rapidly deployed over one instance by itself. We don't need to do any programming. We don't need to deploy or modify, or we don't need to access the switch access or push and pull the stuff over the console site. So it takes some time. Sometime more than 1 minute, and sometimes it's up to 5 minutes. It's have to replicate over all the environments. Let's see if it's replicated or not. No, it's still no update so far. It's taking more time. Oh, your file is here. You can see that I didn't use any file manager or anything or console for this one. Yes, console will be good for you if you're using a Git, and Amazon provide you Amazon shell. But through that you can park your Git repository over that, Git with Bitbucket or anyone's. So you can go for that. So right now I just modify this file and it's uploaded to my instance. I don't need to do push and pull over that. And this is a normal multi-container, or you can set a PHP container, and we are using over here. Now it's in environment have talking from OK to info application available in progress. One out of one instance complete running for 56 seconds. So that's all the update for you guys, and you can go through with all the stuff here for the Amazon site. And I hope so I'll be back with manual file uploading concept and application deployment, or I will go for a WordPress deployment over Beanstalk with you guys. Thank you.